welcome to Mom and Mariska, the crafting duo.
Jinx, you owe me 50.
Well, this channel, she still has her main channel, which is...
It's me, Mariska. It'll be
on the screen, and we will leave in the description box the link for her channel.
Down there.
This channel we decided to do why. So we had another channel for crafts and for art. There will be other crafts and art
over the table
on her main channel, but this is going to be her
Alright, let's get started.
Channel for this. So first off, the craft that we're going to do, this is going to be winter, and this is all ages. So if you could see it, it's a cardinal on a branch.
Why is there so many pieces?
And so there are many pieces because
I see that.
the first two pieces, one of the pieces you're going to need is a strip of paper that's going to be for the tree trunk. Then we have two strips of paper that you can use for the branches. Now they can be straight, or you can kind of tear them so that they look kind of a little more rugged. There's also, this was a hand. It was just a printed hand that we found. This is for the cardinal. That could face either way. Then you need two yellow strips, small yellow strips of paper for the legs of the cardinal.
You think that's enough?
A yellow triangle for the beak. Then you need some circles, just regular circles cut out for the snowflakes. You need one circle for the eye. Ooh. And then this is part of the head of the cardinal. So as we go along, you'll see what we're doing. Should I put out my hand
and then peel it after? I love doing that.
Okay. So the first thing Mariska did was she added
put
the strip of paper down.
How do you do the branch?
The branches. Okay. So I'll put the I'll put a branch on.
Oh, I think you're supposed to do that first, and then the.
No, could you grab that branch, please?
Yes.
So
it doesn't get it.
We're gonna do this one in the normal way.
He's on the floor.
Just to show. So this one we'll slide it underneath like this, and there's one branch, and then the other branch we will come down that way. Mariska, go ahead and put that one on. Slide it underneath. If it hangs off a little bit too, that's okay, because it doesn't have to be 100%
pretty
exactly the way. So we kind of made almost like a K on ours, but that's all right. Now the cardinal, you're gonna put. You could face it either direction. You could face it towards the tree or away from the tree trunk that you want.
He's eyeless.
Oh nope, you don't put the eye on yet. Nope. The first thing you're gonna put on, if you're gonna do the bird.
Pay attention to stuff.
So you have the hand,
attention span of gold,
and you have
sometimes, not all the time. I insult myself. It's okay.
Now how? That's because here's the hand.
I know.
I got it.
Goes. Do you?
Yeah, right here.
Don't.
You do like now. That. So it goes like this. It's going to get glued on just like that. So if I want to flip it, I'll flip it the other way. So put your glue on your bird. And this is the black spot that's on the bird itself. On the cardinal.
Yeah, a little thing that goes here.
It's called a cone. This little red piece would be the cone on top. Okay.
I don't pay attention to birds.
Now,
I'm not a bird watcher.
I'm putting on the eye.
Bird eater. Eat chickens. They're birds.
Here's the eye. Mariska, you have, you could put on the legs and you can put on the beak. So, glue the bird down, which I would put it on this branch. Okay. Make your bird.
Comment down below if you guys ever had deer meat.
So you put your legs on and put on your
it's actually good.
Glue.
As long as it has.
And then you're going to put your glue on your bird.
Does it care how short the legs are?
Well, you don't want them too short, but you don't want them too long either.
You just want the...
That'll all get fixed later. You got to put glue on the back of the hand so you could put the bird down and glue it down here on this branch. For the little delay and the little cutout, her dad called.
Twice.
in the middle of the filming. So Mariska added the bird. The feet go kind of, that's all right. They can go right where you have them. It's fine. It's like it's on the branch.
I gotta watch this hoodie. This is a good hoodie.
Can you lift that up?
Why?
Just slide a little bit of glue under the feet.
Okay, now he needs a beak.
Okay, so put his beak, put the stuff on his beak.
Can you wait a minute?
And then stick his beak kind of on the front. A little bit. Now, I'm going to put on snowflakes. So, just going to pick random places.
I want to do one.
You could do some.
If I put one there.
Here. So this is really simple. It's very easy to do. This craft can be for any age that loves to craft. Teachers can use it in their classrooms. Babysitters, parents, snowy day that you just want to sit down and do something fun with the kids. Comment down below what are some of your favorite snowy day projects and winter crafts and things that you love to do. And
sit here and boredom. I'm joking.
Here you go. So that is what the craft would look like. That is the cardinal on the branch. And it was very simple, like we were saying, that you needed just the strip of paper for the ground, 2 strips of paper for the branches. You could do 1 branch. We have the hand that we used for the bird's body and the eye. We had a quarter of a circle that was used for the black around the eye, then the triangle in yellow, and the 2 rectangles that we used for the feet. And then there you go. And it's done in a different way. So looking at you, the bird is actually facing in that direction.
Stole your nose.
So until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit that bell.
We'll
see you next time. Bye. Happy crafting.
Get your nose back.